Hi guys, welcome back to Jelly Belly Toys Review, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the two Scuff Precision Thumbsticks. Let's begin with the concave thumbstick, shall we? You just put it apart like so. It should come off. Then you take out this cover at the back. You slowly put it apart, and here you go, the thumbsticks. The beautiful, beautiful thumbsticks. Lovely. Let's place one here, and let's place one here. Wow, it looks beautiful, guys. Let's place it here. Wow, look at this shiny, shiny bottom. Wow, bottom of the thumbstick looks amazing, guys. So, this is my Scuff controller, and to place these onto here, all you have to do is use the Scuff lock thumbstick user and place it till it locks in on one of the thumbsticks, and then pull it, turn it towards the left, and then it should be really loose, and then you can just, if it's not loose, just pull it slightly more. It should be loose now. Should be able to take it off nice and gently. Look, as you can see, it's just moving now. This means that it should be easy enough to pull it off, and it comes off like so. Then you can easily just pull this off, pull the thumbstick off, just gently pull it. It should come off. I leave the thumbstick like that. Then you can just place the concave thumbstick inside this little hole. Then it should fit in. It should fit in. Just like that, it should. So guys, after you do this, all you have to do is just place it in, squeeze it, and just spin it around so it gets the shape. And then all you have to do is take the ring, place it back on, and twist it towards clockwise. Wow. So cool. Okay, let's do the right thumbstick now. Okay, just gently put it off, spin it around and gently put it off. Place this in, apply a bit of pressure towards the top, and then just twist it around. It should just click in like so. Now just get the ring, place it in, and just spin it around. Wow, it's amazing, guys. Just spin it around. Here you got the thumbsticks. It feels so good. I really recommend the concave. They're my favorite, guys. However, we will move on to the dome ones, as I know most people like those as well. So just pull this off, take this off, pull off the thumbstick. Do the same with the left thumbstick. Use the lock key to take out this ring, and then just gently pull off the thumbstick whilst turning it. Doesn't get much easier, guys. Okay, let's move on to the dome thumbsticks. You do the same. All you have to do is just pull this off, just gently apply some pressure and just pull it off. And then, guys, you just take this off by pulling it gently. And here the dome thumbstick, guys. Wow, they feel amazing, guys. Wow. Put that to one side, shall we? And now, here's what the magic happens. Just place these thumbsticks on. Wow. Just all you do, just fit it in and just gently turn it around, and they should eventually fit in. If it does not fit in, apply some pressure towards the front of the thumbstick and then turn it towards the right. And then it should make a nice clicking sound and just fits in like so. Then you can just apply the rings to the thumbsticks wherever they fit, and then there you go, guys. Then you use this tool to tighten it up. Okay, guys, here we got one. Where's the other thumbstick? Now you just place this in like so. Should just gently fit in. If it doesn't, apply a bit of pressure towards the front and then turn it around, and then it should fit in, guys. Wow. Now you place this on top. It should fit in gently, and then you just spin it around. Wow. Oh, I forgot to tighten this one. Spin it around a bit. You place this ring on. Tighten it a bit. Oh my god, these feel amazing, guys. However, I prefer the concave, but you might like the domed ones, guys. Okay, let's take this off. Place back my normal thumbsticks, and then let's try the gamer grip, guys. Apparently, what the gamer grip does is it keeps your hands dry whilst long periods of gaming. Okay, guys, let's take this off, shall we? Just gently spin it around and pull it off. Wow. Okay, let's put the normal thumbsticks back on, as I prefer these the most. They just fit in, and then you just put this ring around them and tighten it using the Scuff lock key. Wow. Okay, put the ring around the thumbsticks and tighten it, guys. Okay, here we got the controller. Let's try the gamer grip. Just put it open like any other box. Just open it up like so. Put your finger in, put it like so. Open on both sides, and wow, it comes in amazing packaging. It looks like some cream. Wow. Well, it is a cream, but for gaming. Wow, this is some amazing gaming grip cream. Wow. So, what does it say at the back? Shake well before opening. Apply a pea-sized drop into your hands and rub your palms together for 15 seconds until dry. It should last up to 4 hours. That means 4 hours of gaming. Okay, guys, let's test it out, shall we? So it has a nice little, just says peel this off. Okay, guys, I have to have a pea drop. Uh-oh, that's quite a lot, guys. Okay, guys. However, that's fine, guys. It's just cream. Put this back up. Got a bit of cream, and now just wipe our hands together until dry. just dries your hands out, guys. Wow, this is an amazing effect. I can't even feel anything on my hands. It feels so dry and rough now. Wow, let me hold my controller now. Wow. Whoa. My hands, I think it prevents sweat, so my hands won't sweat anymore. It feels amazing, guys. Wow. I really recommend this cream. It's amazing. Keeps your hands dry and makes them rough, so you can game up to 4 hours. Wow, guys. Well, that wraps up the video. Bye.